Good, Jackie boy, good start.
Well done, Jack.
Yeah,
well done.
Lock! Lock! Lockie! Lockie!
Hard again! Zeba, come, Zeba, you can come. Great stuff.
Just get Spud to cover you. Hold.
Hey, Jona.
Yeah. Come now.
What's the way? Man the mark, good boy. Boom!
Where are you, mate?
Forward. Can we get what cutters back on?
Get Buffy.
I'll get Wells or Buffy.
Buffy.
Buffy! Boof! Hands on the footy, mate. Loose?
No, I got 50.
Okay, yep. Keep running, keep! Got him, you got him, go! Cutters!
Got some real good stuff in the air, not real good stuff, some real good one-on-one points. Narni started really well.
Yeah. So Taylor Hunt will follow you around, Bruno. We've got to keep taking the game on. Only one bloke on the ground on the opposition side can catch you then, Ats. Right, take him on again. Up in their face, let's get at him.
Boys.
J-Mac! Go, mate, go.
Did Drewy just forget he was rough there?
Yep. Down when you can, Spell! Voice down, voice outside!
Broom is coming as well.
Go, mate.
Where is he?
Bazza.
Baz off! Come off! Turbo!
Set him up.
I'll go!
Yeah, go.
Baz off now! Just come!
Goal that one.
Hey?
Has Johnson had 45?
Touches?
Yeah.
Nah.
He's about 46. But he's had that much to the ball.
Quick! Adda, just remind him, keep spitting through.
Give it a goalie!
Good pick! Hard! You get this, Wells. Good tippo.
Good. You want me to go for Dell? Robin hasn't come off.
Stop here. No, inside.
Yeah, and good things happen when we take the game on.
Jack's still out there. We need him to come as quick as possible.
Drewy 1-on-1!
Oh, you keep working in there. Keep going. Nice! When you can. Boys here, Spud, make sure shape's right. Is Dal on this wing? Roll wings with Gibbo. Right, so you take the right side. You're taking right side.
This side?
No, other side. Your right side now.
Inside or inside? Come down back.
But then they start saying, well, if you're going to do that, so you got to be just keep looking. You can't be on the back foot.
I'll be on the best and watch him. He's going, and he's coming back. And I'm like, don't come back. Just know he's there.
But boundary throwing's really turned it around. Right, centre bounces, just they go early with a couple. Right? Looked a hell of a lot better, right? And transition out was really good too. So keep working.
Keep going in 3/4.
There's things that we've worked on over the last fortnight have just been implemented really, really well, right, against a pretty good team. Right, so that's been fantastic. One thing we haven't done so well, and this is through, it's a bit of everyone, a bit of coaches, a bit of bench, a bit of players. How many interchanges have you had, Coach? 62 interchanges. So the good thing with the cap, we got 58 to run with this quarter. So let's spin the wheel a little bit. I mean, we missed a couple of shots, but Jim's got a lot of opportunities. Hand over to you guys. What do we need to do this last quarter? What do we need to work on? So let's not wait. Cunners, I reckon you've led us today in that area in terms of aggression over the footy. You need to lead us, can't wait. Right, we need to get that going right from the start.
I was just going to say, we're going to continue what Jack said. The communication's been outstanding, I reckon, but we can't do it for 3 quarters and drop off like we did a couple of times last year. Consistency in it, the whole 4 quarters, week in, week out, because that's what the good teams do.
That's it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Come on, let's finish it off for me.
Got about 12 minutes to go. Got to make sure we finish off this next 12 just to make it a, regardless of what the scoreboard says, make it a good 4-quarter effort. Work big. Keep going, mate. Keep that talk up. I'm trying to get Robin Nahas off. I can't. So he's in the forward pocket, so he's a fair way away. It's hard to get off these days because now he's followed his bloke inside defensive 50. So he's chased him all up the whole way up the ground. He can't come off because then we're 1 man down basically. So it's hard because it's on the other side of the ground still. He's in the back 50 covering a bloke.